Hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, it's live. Hello, my name is Gian and I am a procrastinator. So that's why I've set up a plan where the first thing I do on my computer will be streaming game dev. First hour on the computer will be streaming game dev. That will probably prevent me from procrastinating. Hopefully. So let's just get started. Man, I don't even remember where I was up to. I guess I'll play the scene and see what I remember. Alright, what was it? Tab? Right, I already forgot how to go to the debug. I'm actually gonna look at my old video because I'm pretty sure I have it somewhere where I figure out how to use the debug menu. Apostrophe. Alright, I got it. Apostrophe key. Here we go. And, ah shit. You probably saw that spaz out on the AI window. Oh, so the node mesh is working. You can see me, and it follows me somewhat. Yeah, it's following me. Alright, I have a general idea where I left off. I think I kind of get it. To make another selector, probably. Alright, so what the video said is that the enemy will continue walking towards my position instead of just going back. What? Oh, something wrong's happening. Well, something's going wrong. Let's get rid of this. Ah, the order. That's why. Stop. Let's disconnect this. Save. Save. Try again. Where's my mouse? There we go. I should probably remove one for now. That might make it easier to debug. Oh, wait, I should... Oh, it's not even hidden. How do I disable an object? Hiding it doesn't seem to do anything. Alright, I'm gonna look that up. Where's the is active? Shit. But why isn't hiding it? Getting rid of it. Thought that would get rid of it. There might be something making it show on play. No, I'm not understanding UE4 for some reason. Hiding object in world doesn't disable it. Details. Am I missing it somewhere? It's gonna be in an obvious place that I didn't see. There, that might work. There we go. I'm used to just pressing hide and it hides it. What is it saying? Oh, it's still there. Still physically there. It's just hidden. I guess I'll just delete it. Kinda hate that. You can't just hide it. You have to like turn off everything somehow. There isn't just a simple don't look at this thing. Just disable. Not that. And something so simple be so hard to do. Just disable. Why can't I just disable the bloody thing instead of deleting it? I don't know if I'm just missing something or it's just bloody stupid that you can't just disable something with a click. Because I don't want to delete it. Well, in the future, I don't want to delete stuff just to test something and put it back in manually instead of just disabling it. Or do I have to disable literally all these options to make it not visible at all to the game? Which is also kind of annoying because multiple checkboxes, you have to redo everything when you put it back. Kind of annoying. But I'll do it. Yeah, it still sees me. Bloody hell. I don't want you to be on. So I literally have to make my own blueprint function to do this. I mean, it probably wouldn't be hard, but I would have to attach an extra blueprint function to do it. Or something, I don't know. Oh, that is very annoying. Oh, maybe I have something now. Unless this is just a blueprint. Yeah, it's a bloody blueprint. There's probably a reason they're doing it, but I feel it's kind of stupid that they don't have something simple to turn off. Yeah, I'm just annoyed by that. I guess I'll just delete it. The perception, that's what I want. It should go to where that ball is, and then go back. Yep. That's going to go to the wall, sees me again. It's going to go to that wall, sees me again. Yep, that's working as intended. I'm going to undo now. I guess that's the quickest way. Delete, undo. Instead of having a hide button. I'll put a sound with this to make it audibly known that the target has been lost. Alright, let's test that real quick. It's closer. I'm just going to sort these out for my own sake. I guess I'm sorting it like how I sort my code with tabs. Well, it's more just in a line. In a sequence of lines. Anyway, just going to sort it like that. Save some space. Save and test it. Let's get the enemy information. Oh, they're both up. Oh well, doesn't matter. Shouldn't matter too much. It still glitches if I'm too high. Alright, it works. The extra function works. Everything is working as intended. Ah, I forgot to put the weight. How much did he put? Although, I don't think it matters that much. Oh yeah, he just put a random value. Oops. There. I need another sequence. Follow actor sequence. Oops. Sequence. Paste that. This go here. Right here. Okay. Yes. Watch the video first. Alright, I'm just gonna see what that does. What the tutorial just said, which is pretty much separating the investigation with and the actual chasing alert sequence, I guess we're calling it. Let me get a guard. There. He's just gone back immediately. That's not right. Ah, I know what's happening. It's going back to the waypoint instead. So I'm guessing we have to update the vector, the target location vector into the last known player position. Alright, I got it now. I really need to learn C++ because all node-based stuff makes it easier visually. Just keeping it all neat is an effort in itself. It's doing... Ow. It's doing something really bad. Let's resume. Actually, it's changed the audio of this to all that. Ah, I got this wrong. Oh wait, no, I got it right. So when there's no target, it goes to the target location vector. If investigating is true, then don't these two do the same thing? Although one of them is waiting. So I'm trying to figure out why it's doing this. Why is it stuck here? Investigating is true, because I'm still here, but it's just standing still. It's not moving. I'm not setting the vector. Am I? Investigation sequence, target vector. There's something missing. Something to do with the target vector is not set correctly. This one here. Target location vector. Going down this tree, target location vector isn't set. Here, target location So it's sensed right here. Target location actor here. But alright, so here's the check if it's set or not. If the target location actor is the same. Wait. If it is. Alright, let's pause that. That's getting annoying. Well, what's supposed to happen, you play character, set. Maybe it's because I'm a spectator, not the player. Alright, let's temporarily remove this branch and see what happens. Just put it directly there. Alright, it's missing something, but it's not glitching as much. Doesn't mean anything. The target location actor is set. Alright, let's see what player. What's the player name? V_VREP. But it is correct. That's a lot of errors. Wait. Let's get the sense actor. Get display name. Let's see what's happening there. Spectator porn 2. Aha. Okay. Alright, so how do I get spectator porn? How? How would I do this? I doubt this is gonna work, but maybe it will. Okay. It doesn't. I have no idea if this is gonna work. Let's put this here. Oh, this is so messy. I hate looking at this. Alright, it compiled. Maybe it'll work. Maybe. Or maybe it's gonna crash. Hopefully not. It's not printing anything. Yet. Name. It probably doesn't have a display name since it's a spectator thing. I'm assuming. Look at me. None. Yeah, it's a play controller. Let's undo this mess. So the problem that I'm having right now is that the sense actor is a spectator because I'm using the spectator when I'm trying to check for a player character. Maybe there's a way to get all friendly actors. So I need to find a solution to check if it's a friendly actor instead of just checking the player character. Oh no, that's not it. UE4 AI, check if friendly actor. Probably has something to do with tags. Would that be out of scope though? Alright, so I'm gonna disable some of these things to make it work, then do a git commit, and then try and modify more stuff to make it work. Looks like this tutorial might be my solution. I'll just put a note here. Comment. Actually, I'm just going to leave it like this and just comment. Const actor is spectator when it should be player character. Otherwise, it will theoretically work. So it works, but it doesn't. Well, it theoretically works. Updated. I really shouldn't be committing untested theoretical stuff. That kind of isn't working. Updated AI to only follow. What did I do? How do I put this in words? Updated AI to follow last known position of the player and other stuff. I don't remember. Not fully tested. I might actually do this other tutorial, and that might help me change it to what I need it to be. Anyways, it's been an hour and 25 minutes, so I have filled my daily obligation, but I might stream more later. Yeah, so I was just finishing off the tutorial, just seeing what the rest of the video was. It's basically showing off what we did, but I think I'm going to do this tutorial so I can hopefully have enemy and player AI, because this tutorial is about one player and everyone's enemy, basically. I assume so. So I'm going to do this tutorial next. Well, I might read it before I do it, and then see if this tutorial will help me with the spectator problem. Anyways, thanks for watching. I might be back.